To send money via Zelle with Bank of America, start by ensuring you have a Bank of America checking or savings account and a mobile number or email address. Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money directly to and from your bank account. First, enroll in Zelle through the Bank of America mobile banking app or online banking website. If you are using the mobile app, tap the menu icon, then select Transfer, and choose Send Money with Zelle. If you are using online banking, click the Transfer tab and then select Send Money with Zelle. You will be prompted to review and accept the terms of service. Then you will be asked to add your email address or mobile number to use with Zelle. This information will be used to identify you and facilitate transactions. Once enrolled, you can send money to friends, family, or people you trust to do this. Select Send Money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction for your records. Review the transaction details carefully, including the recipient's information and the amount, to ensure everything is correct. If everything is accurate, confirm the transaction and the money will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account. It is essential to only send money to people you trust, as transactions cannot be reversed. Additionally, be aware of any daily and monthly limits that apply to Zelle transactions through Bank of America. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send money via Zelle with Bank of America. Remember to always review transaction details carefully and only send money to trusted recipients. To avoid any potential issues,